What is going on, you guys? This is TechHT coming at you with a brand new unboxing video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Astro A40 X Edition, or 10th Anniversary Edition. So pretty much Astro Gaming, they have been known in the gaming department for a very long time, and I personally own the Astro A40 2013 editions, I've owned the 2012 editions, and I own the A10s as well. I want to try out the budget series and see how they are in both audio as well as build quality and stuff like that. And I've always preferred Astros over like Turtle Beaches or Tritons or anything like that because of the build quality, the audio that they provide, everything like that, and the way that everything could be customizable for your needs, for your liking, stuff like that. So I got the Astro A40's X Edition. So these are their 10th anniversary. They just hit 10 years in making Astro A40s back in 2008, which was pretty crazy. But we are going to be taking a look at these, and these are the TR versions, of course. So I also got the TR mod kit over here. I got the red edition, so I want that red and black or red and white color scheme, you know, to match my setup, and it's gonna be really dope. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna put this right over here. You can see we got the A40s right there. We got the TR tournament ready A40s X Edition 10th anniversary. It goes for PC, mobile, and also console, and mod kit ready, one of the most important things. And then this side, there's nothing, but on this side we got the 10 years of innovation. So commemorating the 10th anniversary of the A40 headset, this headset features a special edition colorware and branding. Join us in celebrating 10 years in innovating gaming audio and revolutionizing the gold standard of tournament play. Listen in. These are honestly, when they were the official headset for esports, they were amazing. You know, they just blew up, and Astro is now owned by Logitech, so hopefully they're gonna blow up even more when it comes to audio and all of that. We got tuned in with the Astro audio, the superior fit and finish, the swappable boom mic, mod kit ready, pro gaming certified, built for PC, laptops, and mobile gaming, all of that. So let's get right into it. So let me just got this bad boy, cut right there, as well as right there. Look at that. We got the Astro right there. Ooh. And let's pull this bad boy out. And I love the just the build quality, the packaging, all that. This is honestly insane. You can see you got the Astro robot with the A-Star, some other robots controlling the world. And let's just move this. Ooh, it's a nice magnetic, which I really like. Ooh, baby. This is like a dark blue, but in like certain lightings you can see more of the blue, but like when it's like really dark it looks black, which is honestly insane. So let's see, we got the cable over here. So we got the PC cable. This is the adapter, so you get a really long cable. So you got the one for both listening and also the microphone, and this is the adapter, and it seems that's about it. I'm gonna put that to the side, and then we got the regular cable. So if you want to connect this to your mobile phone or to your console, straight to your PS4 or Xbox controller, that'll be perfect for that. And we got the inline mute, which is really nice. And let's see, we got some other paperwork over here. I'm trying to see how do I remove this. I have to use my nails to really grab it. We got the stop, do not return your gear to the store, all of that other information. We got some Astro stickers. We got the Astro logo. This is a bear, Astro, the hearts, you know, filling up. This is really nice. So, oh, we got the TR sticker right there, very nice. And then we got the Astro A40 tournament ready, and this is the 10th anniversary. All right, so let's move all this to the side. We'll put this down, and we got the headset right over here. Let's open this up. Let's go. Move that, close that, and push that to the side. So looking at this, this looks really, really nice. So let's get this. Very nice. And we got the microphone as well. Oh man, are these swappable? Or did this just come off just from that? I think these are swappable, because the microphone, this red piece came off. Let's see. I'm gonna remove this. Oh yeah, it's like a magnetic feel to it. to look like it was like swappable or something. Alright, so we got the microphone right over here, got the nice red accent on the boom mic itself, and then we got the Astro A40s with the speaker tags of tournament ready. Oh, we got the X edition. Look at that baby, that thing looks sexy. And then the speaker tag, of course, you know, you could create your own, which is really nice. X edition, 10th anniversary as well. And then we got the nice foam. Look at this. And then if we were to pull, it's magnetic, you know, you could put it in that mod kit, and then it's all magnetic. It's really nice. I love the quality of this. So you could go from the nice cloth feeling to a more leather feeling. And we got the adjustability, and then we got the branding of TR, and then we got the red accent, and then we got the headband right over here. Very nice, very nice. Honestly, I love this. And then you can always put this around your neck. Go swap the speaker tags. So instead of using the left, you could be using the right for the microphone, which is really nice. So you can have this however way you want, customize it however way you want. So I'm gonna be putting this around my neck. Sorry, 2013 edition A40s, you have been very special and you have been very helpful in all my gaming and all of that streaming that I've done. Oh, hell yes. Hell yes. Let's try this on. Oh, feels comfortable. And I miss how, like, for this, having this for 2013, you know, it bends and everything. This has a little bit more resistance, which is a lot nicer. Put the microphone to the side, and now let's go over to the mod kit. So these are the A40 mod kits. I went with the red. They have a green, I believe, a blue edition. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna open this. Piece. There we go. There we go. Lift this up. Okay. Throw that over to the side. We got 1 and 2. Very nice. Alright. So we got the speaker tags first of all. We got the nice speaker tags, and it has that rubber piece to absorb, you know, any of the background noise, so you can isolate it more, so you don't have to really hear anybody outside or anything, any of your roommates or your family members. We got the regular red ones. So if I were to grab these and replace them, and go simply, there we go, and I'll simply go to this one, put this right over. Very nice. Oh, this looks really nice. Okay, and then we got the microphone itself as well, and we got the ear cups. We got the Pro microphone. You know, you're upgrading from this one, which is the new one, to this one, which is a lot better with isolating background noise. If you have people that are around you, you know, it isolates it a lot more. So where's the earpiece? There we go. 360 swivel. And then we got the ear cups as well. So now this one's a nice little leather feeling, but then on the interior it's cloth, so really nice. Isolate, like I said, all of that. And then finally got the headband itself with the nice leather feeling, and I like the red stitching that it provides. Very nice. Put that over, put that to the side, and we're gonna do this. Gonna remove this one and this one, and this one goes here, and that one goes there. So nice leather now feel, so it isolates a lot more. Oh wow, it isolates a lot more of the background. And then this one, I forgot how this one goes for the headband. I think it's like just a pull. Very nice. Pull to remove this. We got that. There we go. And this, there we go. So now we got the mod kit installed as well. So now we got the full leather feeling. Oh, I really like this. And then I got the microphone right over here, so whenever I'm talking, and maybe I need to pull this back a little bit more so that my teammates don't hear any of my breathing. But this really, isolates a good amount of the background noise, so definitely perfect for those of you guys. But the only con about this is, like, if you're talking really loud, you don't know how loud you're talking, but your roommates, your family members do. So that's the only con about this. But Astro A40s, X editions, the 10th anniversary editions, I honestly love how they look. I really like the dark blue accent to it. It gives a nice vibe to it, and definitely at night you got that, it looks black, but it's really like a dark blue, which is really nice. And I love the logo right there of the X edition. So there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video upgrading from the 2013 regular black Astro A40s, not the TRs, anything like that, to this bad boy right here. So let me know down in the comments below on what you guys think about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. As always, it's TechHD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!